Hey there, how's it going? All right, so you're gonna get a link to this template, and we want you guys to show off your time here in Middell and all that good stuff. So when you get this link, you can either click on it or copy and paste it. So I just pasted it here into this address bar here, and it should load. You should unfortunately see my picture in the middle of that template, but when you click on it, you'll click on Create From, and it's gonna create that project. So it should develop a project of your own in your own area, and I'll show you how to access it later. Here, just hit continue without brand, and got it. And then from here, you're just going to, well, if it's your first time logging into Adobe Spark, so again, Adobe Spark is something that's free for you guys to use. It even links into Canvas, so this is something you're interested in, let me know. This was just a simple collage we made. But anyway, so it's gonna take you through this little tutorial. Just hit okay, got it. And everything on this image is replaceable. So a couple things, if it's not your 7th year, if you double click it, okay, over here on the right hand side, it'll let you adjust that. So if it's 3 years, awesome. If it's 27, awesome. And then make sure you also update the words around it. So if you double click that, and then just type in, whoops, in the correct area, of course. All right. And then these are just some kind of phrases. Help me learn more about ... I said jumping into PLCs, but again, if you double click that, you can edit that up to here and then add what you're excited about. Same for this little blurb here. Up here, the check mark is movable. If you click on it, it'll give you this little crosshairs on the right hand side. If you're brand new, I'm thinking it not in the district, but just overall, if you're a brand new teacher, awesome, we're super excited, put that in brand new. If you're getting your groove, still not quite a seasoned veteran, but you're not brand new, you've got things figured out, you can hit getting a groove or our seasoned veterans. I won't put a number on that checkbox, but so adjust that to where it's at. And then these couple images, when you click on them, if you notice over here to the right, there's an area that says replace, and that'll pull up all sorts of shapes. And so maybe you want to put a soccer ball. You can choose a new shape and it'll replace it and maintain those colors. By all means, you can change the colors. We were just trying to keep it Middell. Same for the other one. I put technology and learning. That's what I was looking for. But you, again, put whatever search into here that you want, and then you can replace it. All right, so that's the peripheral information, okay? Now, for your picture, notice wherever I move this, I still have kind of a clear background. So find a photo you want to use, and I recommend this website here, remove.bg. If you don't know about this, this is a great website anyway. But you can remove the background of any image. The less details like pertaining to your photo, the clearer the image is going to get. But you just click upload image. Let's see if I can find one real quick. Here, we'll use this awful one. All right, and then once I drop it in, it's gonna delete my background. Okay, so it shows you the original and background. So if you're good with that, if you like it, you can hit download. And then come back into Adobe Express. Again, click on it. I got my 4 corners. I can hit replace. And I can upload a photo. And that was just a download. So IMG 1155 copy. So I can click here, open, and it's going to replace that image for me. So be aware, like that's super blurry, so that was obviously a pretty small photo. If I make it smaller, it looks like it cleans up. This is where you get to get creative. If you want to add more of these little guys, these little images here, just click on them. Control C is the copy, Control V is the paste, and then you can move the guys around. Again, I recommend using that crosshair because there are a couple pieces on here. So hope you enjoy that. Be proud of being here in Middell. We're super excited about the school year. If you have any questions, please let us know. Oh, I guess last piece. When you're done editing it, up here in the right-hand corner, you hit download. I just keep it as a PNG. It's completely up to you, JPEG or PNG. But then you can download it. It's going to drop down into your download tray. To access it later, if you come up here into the top left-hand corner, hit home and go to projects. Okay, so there's the original. and then your copy. But because you can create from that template, it's not going to impact anyone else's. So, and then you can put that new download anywhere you like. You can put it on Twitter, hashtag MD Purpose, all that good stuff. We're just trying to get Middell out there and have some fun. All right. If you have any questions, just let us know. Thanks.